What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another sneaker review today, man. As you can see, man, another Nike box, another pull tab. All right, so the box reads Nike Attack SP. The colors are light smoke gray and dark smoke gray. Pretty simple. As you can see, that's a men's size 12 right there. Y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. All right, man, so I'm gonna make this clear real quick before we continue. I've never rated this specific sneaker. This is my first time purchasing it, even though the hype this year kind of popped out of nowhere and a lot of people have been going crazy about them in the community, like you gotta get it, but listen, I'm about to give y'all my honest opinion on what I really think about this shoe. It's my first time seeing it in the hand. Let's go. All right, so we open in the box, and let's give credit where credit is due. They done their thing with this box, man. There's a lot of different things going on, man. Shout out to Social Status and the Whitaker group. You know, what we got here in the box? That's like that's a whole bag. Yeah, let's stop for a second. Got the Social Status, Nike. What does that say? Thank you for supporting our neighborhood. Shout out to the neighborhood, man. You know what I mean? That's a little dope little joint inside the box. I like that. And presentation is everything. And so you gotta give them credit for this. I know we don't ever, not at least up until this point on the channel, we haven't spent this much time on like paper and insides of boxes and things of that nature, but I'm going to give them credit with this paper, man. They got, Social Status here for you. As you can see, Charlotte, my hometown, is on here. Greensboro, Raleigh, Pittsburgh, Atlanta, Houston, Tampa Bay, Detroit, Baltimore. I'm assuming this is where all of these cities have Social Status locations in them. And it says always fresh, man. So I'm loving this, man. Items good 365 days a year. Shop now. Kind of like that old school newspaper type ad vibe going on, man. Enough about the box, man. Enough about the bag and all the stuff in. That ain't what y'all here for. Y'all here for the shoe. I'm here for the shoe to give y'all a review, my honest opinion. So let's pull this paper back and let's get into it, man. All right, man. So we got the Nike Attack right here, man. We got the Nike Attack Social Status collab right here, man. In the smoke gray, the light smoke gray and the dark smoke gray colorway. Tell me what y'all think about that. All right, bet. So we got the Nike Attack, man. Before I get too deep into this, my wife literally just asked me, why does the sole look dirty? I mean, it's an aged sole. I tried to explain to her, like, this is an old school shoe. They just brought it back, you know what I'm saying? So they trying to give it that old school vibe. But hey, man, neither here nor there. We got the Nike Attack in a light gray, smoke gray colorway. Inside here, it looks like we got a pack of laces. That's pretty cool. It actually looks like a box of candy, ironically, again. You know what I'm saying? I think I mentioned candy in my last video, but your laces come in a box right here. And it looks like these are white laces. Yeah, so you got white laces right here. If you don't want to rock out with the smoke gray laces, I think, again, man, attention to detail. Social Status did their thing with the little lace box. I like that. That's pretty cool. They're wowing me with just the presentation, But the overall sneaker itself, I'm looking at it. Initial reaction for me will be, it's different. I've said that before. Let me find another word. It's unique. It's unique. It's old school. It's classic. It's definitely something that I can see why people my age have been going crazy about this shoe, because, the vintage theme has become very popular over the last, 5 to 10 years. It's become really big. But the younger people, because let's be clear, I'm young, 85, baby, 85 and alive. You feel me? Stand up. But it's amazing to me how a lot of the stuff that came out while I was growing up is now vintage, is now old school, stuff like that. So this is why our crowd really, really loves this sneaker. And I get it, man. It's extremely classic. I like it, man. I really do. I really do like this shoe. Very simple, very classic. If you know me, that's my vibe. I love simple, but classic, classy, you know, luxurious, you know what I mean? Those are all the things that kind of describe some of the things that I really like, or the person that I am, even though I come from nothing. That's just what I like. I've always liked that since I was a kid. And this shoe is giving that off to me right now. All right, so let's get into the price point of this shoe. $140 retail. If you're into the Nike Attack, that's what it's gonna cost you to grab a pair. All right, so let's grab the second shoe out real quick. Appreciate you, babe. And we're gonna take a look side by side, because this is the first time I've seen a pair, first time I purchased a pair of the Nike Attack. And I'm gonna tell you off rip, with the attention to detail that they paid to this, just the presentation with the box and the things inside the box and the lace box and all of that stuff, I'm gonna tell you right now that this sneaker is looking very, very clean and consistent. I'm not seeing any inconsistencies here with the suede, with the mesh material right here on the front, the tongue, nothing. I'm not seeing any defects. Actually, right here on the inside, looks like some kind of stain or something right there. And I guarantee you, if I was to have to return this shoe, they would try to blame that on me. But I didn't do that. I ain't wore them. They came out just like that. So you guys seeing this right here on the video. But yeah, no stitching issues, nothing like that. They did a very good job with this sneaker. All right, so let's get into styling this shoe real quick. Man, this shoe can be done so many different ways. I feel like you can dress this shoe up just because it looks very, very classic, very classy. Some wide leg jeans would be dope with these sneakers as well. Or if you want to just kick around in some joggers, you can do that with this sneaker as well. I think this shoe has a ton of versatility. Really sky's the limit as to what you can do with this Nike Attack, especially with this gray, man. I mean, in this age midsole, it's very simple color pattern, so you can take it whatever direction you want to. Really, this shoe has no limit. All right, man, so I'm gonna give you my rating of this shoe, but I'm gonna warn you that it's gonna upset some people. I don't care, it's my opinion. Give me your opinion. That's what we're here for. Let's have a conversation about what you think this shoe is about. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you right now, it is my first pair. Let me reiterate that, of Nike Attacks. It's my first time reviewing a pair, seeing a pair in hand, and I'm gonna get this sneaker a smooth 6.5 out of 10. Smooth 6.5 out of 10. Mainly because it's a classic shoe, and I'm trying to not rate the whole presentation, but just rate the shoe. Because if I rate the presentation of the shoe with the box and the bag and the little box that the laces come in, like Social Status really did their thing. Nike did their thing with this whole collab, but I'm just trying to focus on the sneaker itself, and I'm gonna go 6.5 out of 10 for the sneaker. It is something that I would keep. Don't let 6.5 fool you, because I think 7.5 is the highest I've went on my channel so far. So 6.5 for sure would keep the Nike Attack. Let me know what you think. What's your rating on the Nike Attack? Do you feel them? Do you don't feel them? Do you not feel them? Whatever. Do you think they're going in the trash bucket in your opinion? For me, they about to get added to the collection. But you know the saying, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.